Ina? Yes, Ankita. Unmute.
Yeah, hello, ma'am.
Hello.
So I joined this Miracle Morning only, like from 3 days back. After this, doing morning routines, I'm really feeling positive because initially, like 3 days before, I don't know, I was facing a lot of challenges in my work. I was not able to complete with my timeline, and I was feeling so stressful. But yesterday, I don't know what happened. Those 50 affirmations and 50 things which I wrote about myself, I was feeling entire day so much confident. I mean,
Good.
and I did my work so well. I finished certain challenges which was there. I finished it there and there itself. I found the solutions, and I was feeling so confident yesterday entire day. In meetings also, I presented myself very well.
Well,
So from yesterday, I'm feeling really very confident,
well done.
especially after writing the things. What I feel is which gave me boost is because I never appreciated the positive things which I had in myself, and I was just focusing on things which I'm not able to do.
Yes.
So morning itself, by writing all these things, it gave me a boost for the entire day.
Good. I'm so happy.
And
This
yeah,
is